Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Uh-oh, something bumped it. There you go. There you go. Hey, buddy, you ain't getting that out. Bring your butt here. Oh, man. Do this thing count? Oh, my goodness. All right. So what?
How many inches you got?
This thing pretty much halfway of the scale. All right, let's get this nasty thing back in the water. Lord, I thank you. Lord, I thank you. Lord, I thank you. All right, let's get this somewhat slim guy, fat, slim, back in the water. Thanks for biting, buddy. I appreciate it. Oh. It's a gar. Pike, chain pickerel. Yeah, it's a big one. Fish. Yep, that's probably my fish. That was probably my fish. I told Patch I was having bites on this end. I should have stayed over here. Shoot, man. That was probably my fish. I'm trying to claim that fish. You're probably mine. He was probably mine. He was probably mine. Well, thanks for looking out and catch it. Uh-oh, uh-oh. What is this? Oh, a white bird. I told you, didn't I tell you? God, man, this is not what... Boy, you gotta be careful with these bad boys. This is not what I wanted. Well, it's okay. Be still, buddy. All right, at least I caught something. All right. How in the world you catch a bass and I catch a white perch? All right. Got the first one out here at Shallow Farm. Hard place to fish. Let's get him back in the water. Another white perch. There's a bunch of these rascals out here.